Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
Another excellent product for anyone looking to smooth or soothe their skin. This is just natural spring water that is in a mist but keeps me feeling hydrated. And I love that it comes in a metal bottle because it's always cool and refreshing. I don't have any issues with it drying out my skin. As soon as I feel a little bit of dryness, this is something that automatically immediately reacts and I feel refreshed. It's such a small little package that it's awesome that I can take it with me wherever I go, and it's very compact. And I feel comfortable that I can use this on my face, on my arms, on my legs, on my hands, anywhere that I feel dryness to provide moisture. And I feel good about protecting my skin.
And that's my point of view.